Hello friends, you must have seen many big things like anacondas in Hollywood movies. But do you know how long the largest snake ever found on earth is and where it is found? Have you ever thought that a spider that looks just 1 inch can actually be as big as 6 feet? And do you such huge creatures live? They surely don't live in a small forest. So where exactly do these big and dangerous creatures live? Friends, all of these are found in the Amazon rainforest, which is called the lungs of the earth. Yes, you heard it right. The Amazon forest, also known as the rainforest. The Amazon jungle is so vast and huge that scientists still have not fully explored or understood it. They don't even know how many states or regions this forest covers. Scientists have been researching the Amazon rainforest for decades, and every time they discover something new, it surprises everyone. Scientists claim to have seen things in the Amazon that are impossible to see outside the forest. The Amazon is so huge and massive that it has its own world, and we humans have very limited or almost no access to that world yet. Every time a new discovery is made about this forest, we realize how little we actually know about it. In this video, we will tell you some interesting and amazing facts about the Amazon rainforest that will make you think about how dangerous and mysterious this forest really is. First of all, let's talk about the mysterious trees found in the Amazon jungle. There are millions and millions of species of plants and trees in this forest. Some are common and some are extremely poisonous, which is obvious because such a huge and dangerous forest must have dangerous plants as well. But the interesting thing is that some trees in this forest are known as walking trees. If you like watching movies, you must have seen in many films where trees and plants suddenly start walking. But do trees really walk only in movies? The answer is no. They also move in real life, according to scientists who have been researching the Amazon for many years. Scientists believe that some trees in the forest do move, but not like in Hollywood movies. Their speed is very slow. Some scientists say these trees move toward the direction where the sun shines. This happens because the roots of the tree grow more on the sunny side, while the roots on the other side decay, causing the tree to slow move forward. This process does not happen in a day or two but takes about 3 to 4 months. That's why these trees are called walking trees. These trees are also highly poisonous and are found only in the Amazon rainforest. Now, let's learn about some other trees in the Amazon that will make you bite your nails in fear. Yes, according to the indigenous people living in the Amazon, there are some trees in the jungle that eat human and animal flesh. These trees are called man-eating trees. It may sound strange. How can a tree eat flesh? But it's true. There are only a few species of these trees in the Amazon. So, if the Amazon has man-eating trees, imagine what other dangerous things might live there. Well, this is a topic of research. Next, let's talk about boiling rivers flowing through the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest is considered the most dangerous forest in the world because it is home to every kind of dangerous animal, plant, bird, insect and creatures. So, how can water be left behind? Yes, we are talking about the boiling rivers of the Amazon. These rivers have water with a temperature between 70 and 90 degrees Celsius. This river flows right through the middle of the Amazon forest and is as dangerous as the forest itself. Why this river's water is boiling is still not clear. The Amazon rainforest is not a small forest but spreads across 9 countries. Scientists have been researching this vast forest for centuries. A British scientist once went to the Amazon for research and saw an animal that was half human and half ape. About 12 feet tall, this species is called Maricoxy. He reported that while researching, he came across one of these Maricoxy creatures. Someone from the Maricoxy tribe even tried to attack him, but scientists fired a few shots into the ground, which scared the creatures away. He also said that the Maricoxy live in their own settlements inside the forest. This gives you an idea of how beautiful yet wild the Amazon forest is. The animals or creatures make it dangerous. In the Amazon, not only plants but also animals are very dangerous. It is said that the forest has snakes that are not found anywhere else on earth. Generally, the largest snakes on earth in the anaconda. According to scientists, anacondas can grow up to 30 feet long. But in 1969, a scientist claimed to have seen a 70-foot long snake in the Amazon River. Having such a long snake in the Amazon is surprising. Thousands of years ago, an extinct species called Titanoboa had a maximum length of 52 feet, and until now it was considered the largest snake ever. But the claims of scientists about 70 to 75 feet long snakes in the Amazon may break that record. Some scientists even say that some of these snakes could be Titanoboas still alive. Research is ongoing on this, but one thing is certain: the longest snakes on earth live in the Amazon rainforest, whether they are anacondas or titanoboas. But snakes are not the only dangerous creatures in the Amazon. Even the smallest ants can be deadly. These ants are extremely aggressive because they have to defend themselves from bigger predators. Have you ever thought that such a teeny ant can be dangerous? Yes, the ants in the Amazon, if they bite a human, cause pain as bad as a gunshot wound. They are called bullet ants because their bite hurts that much. If an Amazonian ant bites someone, the person suffers intense pain of 5 to 6 days. Some of these ants are also poisonous enough to cause death. That was about the creatures in the Amazon. Now let's talk about creatures that will make your legs tremble with fear: the spider. You must have seen spiders in your homes. They look very small and ordinary. Their bite usually does not cause much harm, but did you know that 6-foot long spiders have been seen in the Amazon rainforest? According to indigenous people, 6-foot long spiders live in the Amazon, and they are so dangerous that they even kill their own children. Some scientists have also claimed to have seen such giant spiders. Regarding such big fish or animals in the Amazon, it's not clear how true these claims are. But in such a vast and dangerous forest, it's not surprising to find such creatures. The Amazon is so big and dangerous that might even be a hideout for aliens. There have been stories of UFO sighting in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon is so dense and vast that it could be a good place for extraterrestrials, but if that's true, it's not good news for humans. However, no explorer has seen any alien objects so far, but research on this continues. The Amazon forest produces 20% of the Earth's oxygen, but even today, we know very little about it. In recent decades, research has increased, but it's funny that every time a new mystery emerges from the Amazon, we realize how far we are from fully understanding it. So, these were some interesting facts about the Amazon rainforest. Which fact surprised you the most? Do let us know in the comments, and also let us what topic you want for the next video. I will meet you in a new video. Till then, goodbye.